It's my duty to let you know our carelessness is messing up the water flow. Listen when I tell you, we don't wanna lose our world tonight. Cause it's too late to cry when the rivers run dry. The oceans won't survive if we turn a blind eye. So listen when I tell you, I don't wanna lose our world tonight.
Cities will sink in the blink of an eye. We live on the brink of extinction. We'll swim with the fish and we'll drown overnight. But it's never too late to listen. We've poisoned the tides, now we'll pay the price. The oceanic life is essential for us to survive. Can I have your attention, please? All our contraptions are taxing. Yeah, we all have a need for the seas, but we are lacking in action.
It's my duty to let you know our carelessness is messing up the water flow. Listen when I tell you, we don't wanna lose our world tonight. Cause it's too late to cry when the rivers run dry. The oceans won't survive if we turn a blind eye. So listen when I tell you, I don't wanna lose our world tonight.
Picture a wide open sea, the sailing, chasing your dreams, but to only see thunder and lightning. Then to go asking for help, to get put up on a shelf. The problems keeping your family starving. When I look out to the sea and think what it means to me and other people with thoughts just like this. Cause we gotta fight for it. Got whole human lives on this. And if we don't get out and try for this, then our children might have to die for it. People gotta do better to relieve this water pressure.
It's my duty to let you know our carelessness is messing up the water flow. Listen when I tell you, we don't wanna lose our world tonight. Cause it's too late to cry when the rivers run dry. The oceans won't survive if we turn a blind eye. So listen when I tell you, I don't wanna lose our world tonight.
Caves and cameras we haven't seen, protecting everything that's under the sea. Spinning lines to such fire, this song is going to go way higher. Making sure pollution's staying back, so we don't ever lose track. Only thing that's more important to us is sea, so don't make any fuss.
This is how our planet dies, so we really need to try. This is how our planet dies, so we really need to try. Hey, the ocean don't deserve what we putting out it. In every place, pollution in our face. Don't let it go to waste. This is our place, don't let it go to waste.
It's my duty to let you know our carelessness is messing up the water flow. Listen when I tell you, we don't wanna lose our world tonight. Cause it's too late to cry when the rivers run dry. The oceans won't survive if we turn a blind eye. So listen when I tell you, I don't wanna lose our world tonight.
Life below water, let's not slaughter. Tourism, beautiful, sustainable. Let them thrive, let them shine. Let's create a better ocean. And let's start with this motion. So let's begin, and so put a grin. And so let's start this conservation. No need for this way, so let's create a better place, so we don't have to face the hardest changes.
It's my duty to let you know our carelessness is messing up the water flow. Listen when I tell you, we don't wanna lose our world tonight. Cause it's too late to cry when the rivers run dry. The oceans won't survive if we turn a blind eye. So listen when I tell you, I don't wanna lose our world tonight.